Hi everybody, you are watching Vitorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial we are going to design the triple logo. What I mean by that, we are going to design the isometric, negative space, letter E alphabetical logo in Gravit Designer. It is the very beginner friendly tutorial, so I invite all of the novice to Gravit Designer to try the things out, how it works. Maybe you like the Gravit Designer and start your path as a logo and graphic designer. Let's start our tutorial right now by introducing a new document, Alt-N or Option-N on your Mac, and I'm designing on the website medium this size of the canvas, but it really doesn't matter because I'm using a very small size of my artwork. So first of all, we need to start with the grids. Go to the document panel on your right and introduce the isometric grid. Set the size to 20, but I believe everything is by default 20, 30, negative 30. Okay? Next, grab the rectangle tool or click R on your keyboard and start drawing the rectangle holding Shift and Alt or Shift and Option on your Mac to draw the perfect square. And now hold only Shift, release all of the button and hold only Shift and rotate the square. You are holding Shift to constrain the angle by 15 degrees and we need to rotate it on 90 degrees. Okay? Now we need to convert this path. As you can see that all individual points are not available to our subselect tool, which you can access from this design. Subselect tool is for us to select the points, individual points. So we need to convert it to the path, and you have three options. Go to the modify path and convert to path. Use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P, Command+Shift+P. Go to my vitorials.net article top 10 shortcuts that you need to know in Gravit Designer. And finally, convert to path. These icons, very convenient icon in the Gravit Designer panel. So let's use this icon right now. So you see that we have right now the squared anchor points that we can select, and we need to place them, arrange them on the grid. First, select Snap to Grid option by going to this magnet icon next to this pan tool. Select to bring up this menu and select this Snap to Grid. It's supposed to be use snapping. Shift F10 and Snap to Grid are supposed to be selected. Okay, so for this design, to see what is going on my with my artwork, I want to delete the fill by going and selecting on this fill and clicking on this remove selected fill, and introducing the border by clicking this other border icon. Okay, now I want to again make sure that all of my sides are laying down, it's very important, on the grid axis. All of them are supposed to be aligned, and I have these sizes 400 on 231 and angle negative 45 degrees, this angle. Okay, so I want to right now start drawing this stairs, and to do this I need to select the path tool or pen tool in Gravit Designer by clicking this icon or clicking P on your keyboard, and I want the stairs to be at least 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. So this line is not really necessary, and I want to cut it out by grabbing the subselect tool and placing all of my designs 1 point. Okay, now I want to select and delete this path and go with my selection tool, grab my stairs artwork, lock my path by clicking on this lock panel and put it here. So all of my lines all of my angles are correspond with each other, and we need to now grab the path tool again and start filling these stairs. But again, you need to lock the path to prevent the interactions. Okay, so lock by clicking on this padlock once again and go ahead and create your stairs. Then deselect your path. When you close it, to close the path, you will see this, that your icon right now is changes to the pen tool icon with this circle, hollow circle. So pay attention that if you have noticed the hollow circle, you close the path. Very well. Now guys, I want to also fill these horizontal stairs, fill them with white. So although it's a negative space logo, all of this negative space is created also with the shapes filled only with the white color. So I want to delete the border by clicking on this remove selected border trash icon and leave the white color. Then I want to go and select the borders again, trash them again, and go to the darker color, something like that. I will work on the gradations of gray right now. Now we need to delete the stairs icon, it's not needed, and select again the path icon and go to delete the border and introduce the fill. And for now, I'm totally fine with the black color. So as if you may notice or not, I have this small vertical stairs over there in the bottom, and let's create it right now. In order to do this, we need to decrease the size of isometric grid by 2. So you need to go to the size and either press 10 times down arrow key or just type 10 on the size of a field. Okay, so right now we need to grab the direct selection tool, or sorry, subselect tool. Of course, direct selection is Illustrator tool. In Gravit it's called subselect. So, and we need to extend this whole shape, the path on the bottom, by dragging these individual points. Make sure again that your path aligned with the axis, isometric axis. Everything is supposed to be perfectly isometric, guys. Now grab the pen tool again. First grab, of course, the selection tool, regular selection tool or pointer tool as it's called in Gravit, and then grab the path tool, delete the border and introduce the gray. Now we are ready to put the colors, and I want to start with this diamond shape. Go to the fields, then from this drop down select the liner gradient, arrange the gradients. It's so easy in Gravit Designer, it's wonderful. Then grab the color and start working with the color. So here I want to work with the purplish color. Now I want to grab and select the white color and go to this corporate blue. Okay, it looks decent. So far so good. We can introduce the color to these vertical stairs. I want to select everything right now and introduce the liner gradient. Then arrange the gradient on the one of the shapes. Let's do it in the middle. I want to put it like this. By the way, guys, always be aware about your light source. For example, for me, light source is here. So all of these shapes, my white shapes, and this part of my wall is lighted. And all of these vertical stairs, they are not lighted. Okay, so again go to the fields, select the fill here. Let's start with this one because we can wrap the color here by selecting this airdropper and heading away and rubbing the color. And now, based on this color, I want to select something really dark, something like this. Okay. Now, if you want to copy this gradient to these two shapes, you need to first create the shared style. So go to the appearance panel, style, and create new shared style. I don't want to name it right now, just default new styles, because I'm supposed to create only one style here. So next, go and select the styles. This is it. And this is how you guys created this A isometric, B negative space, and C letter E alphabet logo in Gravit Designer. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and visit vitorials.net for more Gravit Designer and Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.